Nothing.
No, I don't know. You can see the tornado right in front of us. Just go around these guys. I don't know where they're stopped. Look at that tornado, Kevin.
I see it.
You see it, guys?
Yeah, I got it.
You don't see it, Frankie? It's right there.
11
Oh,
o'clock.
yes.
11 o'clock.
Yeah, I was looking for dogs.
Wow. Big tornado. I don't understand what these cops are trying to do.
They don't know. They don't know themselves, I don't think.
Wow. What is the... Really?
Oh, my.
Wow.
All right.
Wow. Well, I got video of them passing on a curve. That's going straight to the National Weather Service, whoever it is.
That's all kinds
Are you kidding me? They're passing up a hill. I don't know what truck number that was, but that is the dumbest thing I have ever seen. Oh my gosh. It's like, maybe it's not roaming out.
Surely it is.
Well, it looks like it is, but it got stouter.
Oh, wow. Yeah. God, it's so low contrast. All right, east option is on the other side of town.
Our east option is just on the other side of town up here. Look at all these people running out and looking at the tornado. It's still not working out there. That was a strong tornado. Look at it. Turn right?
No.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Why is everybody turning on 34?
Because...
You better hurry.
No, I mean... The reason,
Straight?
Yeah, straight.